I am Maya Nanavati, clinical advisor and founder trustee of POSAT Foundation. POSAT Foundation is a charitable organization running a rehab center in Borivali, Mumbai. It also runs special classes for children in Rustamji International School, Dahisar, Mumbai and SVP School, Kandivali, Mumbai. Transpect Enterprise Limited had installed a vestibulator, a patented equipment to work for the disabled children. The machine was installed in December 2017, and on that machine we studied the effect of vestibulator in controlled vestibular stimulation for cerebral palsy children. The results were quite interesting, and so we thought of buying the machine. Luckily, we got a sponsor who donated the machine under this CSR scheme. Now I will say something about the vestibulator, something about the vestibular system to understand the vestibulator. The vestibular apparatus is inside our inner ear, adjacent to cochlea. It consists of 3 semicircular canal and 2 bulging known as utricle and sicule. The vestibular apparatus gets stimulated by the force of gravity acting upon human body. Because we move in 3 planes, there are 3 semicircular canals. The function of vestibular apparatus and vestibular system, which is directly connected to the balancing brain, is to have the proper muscle tone of the body against gravity. It informs whether the environment is moving or a person is moving, in the sense that whether a person is climbing the step or going in the lift, or he is walking, or he is in the bus, train or bike. The minute to minute changes in our gravitational pull is informed to cerebellum, the balancing brain, by the vestibular system to prevent the fall and adjust against gravitational pull. It starts forming at 8th week intrauterine, and so if the mother had any issues during pregnancy like bed rest or mental tension or hormonal disturbances, then this system works at low voltage. His body image is affected, and because of that the child doesn't have eye contact, or he keeps on either running around or jumping or spinning, or he is withdrawn, depending upon which network of the vestibular system is affected. In conventional therapy, we do give vestibular stimulation on any moving surface, like on equilibrium board or stability trainer or on therapy ball, but it is not calibrated, or we cannot make it graded exercise program. The vestibulator, the equipment, is patented by Transpect, and it has the facility of calibration because it is designed by software. So here we can give different movements depending upon the need of the individual child, and we can grade it once the child improves. It has beautiful harnessing system, so the child can feel secure. In cerebral palsy children, the higher control is lost, and so the vestibular system, inhibition on the vestibular system is lost, and because of that the children have difficulty in achieving milestones because of low tone or spasticity. Here also, if we put the children on vestibulator and study, their reflex responses, their muscle tone and everything improves. At the center, we are treating all the children on vestibulator, and it has shown us really very good result. We were to study the effect of vestibulator on autistic children and ADHD children, but just because of the lockdown it has got delayed. But I recommend vestibulator in any special school where there are lot of autism and mentally challenged children. Now we will show you how we use the vestibulator in the treatment of different kind of problems in the children. This child is a case of cerebral palsy. He has hypotonia and his trunk control is very poor. We put him on vestibulator and give him anteroposterior tilt so that his trunk reactions improve. You can make out in this video that when the tilt is going down, automatically his trunk is coming up, and when it is going behind, his trunk is coming forward. This way, on vestibulator, we can improve his trunk control, and then once it improves again, we can modify it further in a graded manner to get independent trunk control. So, lights on you. Okay. This is the case of cerebral palsy, but cerebral palsy with spasticity. Here we are showing you the lateral tilt to improve lateral trunk control. The degree of tilt is 65 degree here, and you look at the child how his trunk reacts automatically when there is a tilt, and then he comes back to a normal position, and this way you can improve his trunk control.
इसको लॉक कर दो, लॉक कर अगर जो स्ट्रेट अंदर करो मुंह पे अंदर पकड़ अंदर पकड़
This child is a case of Down syndrome. He is 3-year-old and has just learned walking. To improve his balance better, we are putting him on vestibulator and we are giving him the movements of horizontal acceleration and vertical acceleration. When this environment moves automatically, his vestibular system will respond well and his balance will improve. Now, this child is an autistic child, 7-year-old, and he is attending our special class. He had a lot of difficulty in speaking and communicating. We are putting him on a vestibulator and giving the rotation because he used to keep on running around and spinning. After putting him on vestibulator, automatically his spinning has reduced. He started talking also. Here we are showing you that the rotation is in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. We can modify the velocity and number of rotation per minute for these children. This child also is an autistic child attending our specials class. He is around 12 years old. Here we are giving him rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise, but you can see that he is sitting without the support and he is blindfolded. We blindfold the children for complete takeover of vestibular system for body awareness.